You are probably wondering how to make a million on the crypt. The answer is simple. You need to stump the hamster all your free time and then you are guaranteed to get your first million in the crypt. Everyone who taps it will become millionaire. Guys, let's get serious now. You can't make money just by tapping some hamster on your phone. But do not rush to get upset. In this video, I will tell you to detail how to really start earning from the $500 per day without large investment and risk. Rahul is with you and we are starting. And now about what kind of hamster everyone is tapping and thinking that they will earn money. Hamster Combat is a play and earn clicker game that currently has more than 150 million users. The game is developed based on the concept of creating a crypto empire. Players start with a simple hamster and can improve it by developing and using the tokens in the game. Now the most important question is, it is possible to earn by tapping this poor hamster? Of course not. Even if you do manage to earn, then only a mere penny while spending an insane amount of the time. And why? It's simple. The capitalization of this game is too small to pay all 150 million users. It's impossible. I think you already understand this yourself. When will this long-awaited hamster listening be? This event is planned for the middle of 2024 and this is not accurate information. Even if the listening is going to be in the near future, the price of a hamster coin will cost mere pennies and you will not be able to make money on it. But what you can really make money on is binary options. I have been trading binary options for the several years now and earn more than 500 per day. My subscribers also earn with me absolutely without risk and with great profits while not having huge funds. How it's simple. In my Telegram channel, following the link in the description, every day I share signals for the successful trading. You just repeat my signals and you will earn. It's very simple. So, why are binary options cool? That's because you can earn thousands of dollars a week while spending a small amount of time without having much money to invest, and most importantly, you don't need any knowledge and experience to do with this. Don't you believe it? Take a look for yourself at the reviews of my subscribers who look like me. Earn a lot of money from the trading. Guys, if you still decide to start earning $500 per day, then follow the link in the description and join us. We are waiting for you.